In this example, we'll be going through the process of multiplying two rational expressions. So the two expressions I have here are 2x squared minus 12x divided by 15x multiplied by 5x over x minus 6. So the first thing I'd like to do is factor anything that I can in both the numerators and the denominators. So I'm going to start with 2x squared minus 12x. What I notice there is I've got a common factor of 2 and x in both of those top terms. So if I factor that out, I'm going to get x minus 6 left in the numerator. And I'm going to leave 15x in the denominator. That's a monomial, that's not going to factor. And I've got 5x in the numerator here. Again, a monomial, that's not going to factor. And x minus 6. Now before I go any further, what I'd like to do again is examine both denominators, because I need to state non-permissible values anytime I'm asked to simplify. If I don't find my non-permissible values, I can't state that my end result will be equivalent to my original. Because remember, we need to retain non-permissible values when simplifying rational expressions. So finding my non-permissible values here, I find that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 6. So I need to state those at the end once I have this fully simplified. So now I'd like to look at the numerators of both and denominators of both and see if there's any common factors that will reduce here. So I've got an x minus 6 here and an x minus 6 here, so I could cancel those out. What I also see here is a 15x and a 5x. So that means I could divide 15 by 5 3 times. I could divide 5 by 5 once. Also, I could get this x to cancel with this x, or this x, but I prefer to keep them canceling in the same term since I'm already reducing the 5 and the 15. Once I do that, let's write down what I have left here. I've got a 2x left up top. The x minus 6 canceled, the 5 canceled, and that canceled. Those are gone. The 15 became 3 in the denominator. And the 15, so that canceled to be 3. The x is gone. The x minus 6 is gone. So my final expression here is 2x divided by 3. And again, I need to write those non-permissible values where I say x can't be 0 or 6 in order to maintain equality with my original expression.